So you have your CSS file created, and you have a few styles already set, and you go to, let's say, select some text here, and you go to make a new rule, and you want to make sure you're on the CSS down here. You go to make a new rule, and you click on this to go new rule, and you notice that it does not give you the pop-up window that you are expecting. You can just create, change the style yourself here, and you see that it's going to create this span style, which is not what you want. You want a class. So let's undo that. And what we want to do is select our text and make sure we have this CSS Designer. If you don't see that, you can go to Window, CSS Designer. CSS Designer, click on that, and then this opens up. And right here, this plus here by selectors, you want to click on that, and then it will give you a new rule. Now notice that the rule is the same name as the last rule that you created. So you just want to change the name of this, and let's just call it new rule. You want to call it something better than that, but so that you can identify it later. But we'll call it just new rule for our purposes here. And so let's stretch this out a little bit so we can see. All right, so we've got our new rule we created there, and let's get this out of the way. And so we've got our text still selected, and now we come down here to this targeted rule, and we'll click on. We scroll down here way at the bottom. Let's move this up so you can see it a little bit better, because our menu down there is in the way. So let's get it. Just want to do that. Okay. So we want to got this selected and come down here, and now you can see new rule. And of course we've added the rule. There it is, new rule. But we haven't changed anything. And so while we've got new rule there, targeted rule in place, and we have the text selected, then we can go in and change whatever we want to change. And let's say we want that bold and italic. And so then from there, let's just go look at the CSS and see if it's been updated. There you go, bold and italic. And that's how you create a new rule.